Essential Medical Imaging Solutions. We are the solution for top talent and medical imaging professionals of great character. And I am here in LA. I'm a Cali girl, partly country, but I live in Cali. I'm at this lunch workshop with the one of the most richest women on the planet when it comes to information and strategy, skills, and building CEOs. And when I came in, I felt like I was on the right track to starting my staffing agency, but for these last 3 days, I just feel so enriched. I feel like I know way more than I did before. I feel like it added so much value within these last 3 days, and I'm so grateful for this. I'm so grateful for Dee. She's a blessing. She's necessary. She's relevant. She's an asset. She's so much, and her dedication to us is unremarkable. She's greatly appreciated. But this experience has been awesome. I wish there was another one, but this is the last time she's doing staffing stuff. But she thinks she's gonna get away. She can't get away from us, especially me. So it's been one of the greatest experiences of my life, and I'm not even exaggerating. It's been the greatest experience for learning, adding substance to my business perspectives, and this is one of the first businesses that I'm starting, and I wouldn't be able to do it without her assistance. I wouldn't be able to do it without her walking me through, just providing step by step by step. I'm currently in the industry, and I know for sure the staffing industries that I work with, they don't know a 16th of what she knows. So I'm just so grateful to have this experience. So thank you.